Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds SOUNDPEATS AIR 3 Pro with your Android phone. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Now click pair new device and after that open the charging case. If your earbuds do not connect it with another device, it will enter to pairing mode automatically, and you will see it in the device list right here. I have it. But also we can enter to pairing mode manually. At the back side we have connectional button. You need to press and hold it until these LED lights start flashing. Here we go. And now we also enter to pairing mode, so we will see it in the device list. Now just tap on it and then click pair. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!